Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, boys and girls, it's a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number two. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is actually Friday, November the 12th. And I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a heavy Sudoku. So no extra Sudokus or additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition. Yes, November the 9th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, the binary puzzle and a tectonic one. First, boys and girls, binary puzzle number 2. And this will be number 3675. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Then. Do we need to compare so soon? No. Well. I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. No. Where's the opening? The opening. Well, I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, we have always there an O and a 1. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Well. Double O. Let me think. O10. We have O10. This should be almost the same. 1. If I compare with this one and that one, we have the 1 here. Second one and the third one. So if I place the 1 here, so I have to if I place the 1 here, then the 1 should be here. If I place the 1 there, one conclusion, one and a O. It's almost the same. Can I place the O here? That's the question. Yeah, I can. Double O, double 1. Hard one. Think. Already 6 minutes passed, and I cannot see the opening. Ay. 1, 2, 3. So here can also be the O and a 1 here. One, two, three. Only one. 1, 2, 3. Double 1. This is almost the same here. One oh one. This column 11 empty box 11 empty box 00. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 1, O. 1. Then can I? No. 10. This is different. The 10. Do we have 10 here? 10. No. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, could be also an O and a 1 there. How about this? Between an O comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O. 101, no, 110. Interesting. Between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1 there. Yeah, between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow, this one I have a lot of troubles, but I've solved this again. Yes, you need to look for the opening. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the last puzzle of today. Yes, it will be a tectonic one, tectonic with a 1 star. See you later. Bye bye for now.